So what I'm just telling is, anyway, what I explained to you in the last session, guys. In the last session, I just given you an explanation about what is ASP.NET. In the last session, I given you an explanation about what is ASP.NET. And what did I say? So actually, the first point I said, prerequisites to learn ASP.NET. You need to have knowledge of C#. You need to have knowledge on HTML, JavaScript, CSS. SQL Server required, but not immediately after 1 month. So all the people who are right now doing HTML, JavaScript and CSS are eligible for attending the class. All the people who are doing HTML, JavaScript, CSS are eligible for doing the class. No issues. Okay, SQL Server will be started here within a week or 10 days. SQL Server will be started. No problem. We still take nearly some 30 sessions to reach to SQL Server in ASP.NET. By the time you will be having knowledge on SQL Server, that doesn't make a problem for you at all. Okay. And so what is the ASP.NET? I said to you, it's a technology in .NET for building web applications. ASP.NET basically, ASP.NET, before telling about ASP.NET, before talking about ASP.NET, no, you require a complete knowledge of C#. You require a complete knowledge of C#, Vivek. Complete C# knowledge, object-oriented programming, full object-oriented programming. Without having knowledge on object-oriented programming, you cannot understand this one at all. Okay, so Vivek, if at all you just wanted to do C#, the new batch for C# will start between 20 to 26th of this month. Between 20 to 26th of this month, we'll start a new batch of C#. Okay, fine. Now, last class we started here. What is it, .NET? What is it, .NET? As I said to you, it's a product of Microsoft for building various kinds of applications like web applications, mobile applications, and desktop applications, microservices, cloud-based applications, machine learning, game development, IoT, a lot of applications we just build by using .NET. And in this, if at all you want to develop in all these things, we have various types of applications now. And I want to build web applications. I wanted to build web applications. If we wanted to develop web applications, then we need to take the help of ASP.NET. If at all you wanted to build web applications, then you require to take the help of ASP.NET. And remember, all of you, ASP.NET is a part of .NET. ASP.NET is a part of .NET, and you people require to take the help of ASP.NET for building your web applications. You require to take the help of ASP.NET for building what? Web applications. So ASP.NET is important for you for building the web applications. Okay now? So if at all you want to develop web applications, then you need to take the help of ASP.NET technology. Next. You understand the history, all of you. Are you guys clear with all the things what I explained to you yesterday? Are you guys clear with all the things what I explained to you yesterday? .NET was introduced in the year 2002, and in these 20 years, there are a lot of changes that came into picture. There are a lot of changes. If anyone has any doubts on this, if anyone has any questions, or anyone has any confusions, or started only newly today, if you people started newly today, I repeat, if you people started newly today, I can provide you the yesterday's video. Yes, ADO.NET will be covered in ASP.NET. I can provide you the yesterday's video. Yeah, guys, this is the yesterday's video. just go through it. Any doubts you have, you can just go through it. Okay. Some few things that just been explained to you here yesterday. What's it? Yeah, these are the important aspects, guys. The class timings will be 11:45 to 1 p.m. From Monday, classes will commence online and offline also. This week, we will have only online. Okay. Next, complete notes. ASP.NET will be given to you in a Word document. I'll give you the Word document. Yeah, Google Classroom. You'll be added to a Google Classroom. In the Word document, I'll post it there. And if you are joining only for ASP.NET, all of you, if you are joining only for ASP.NET, fees will be around 3,500, and the contact Srinivas for more details. If you are full stack students, you guys have already paid the fees, and you are eligible for this in that fees only. You don't require to pay anything extra. Okay? Just Google Classroom links and all. Contact your admin, not me. Okay? Your admin will give you. I'm giving the number of the admin. Ask him. He will give you the Google Classroom links and all. I did not still post the notes there. Okay? Meanwhile, I asked him to add all of you there. Fine. Next. Yeah. Now, so actually, how to build a web application? I already said you. If at all you want to build web applications, if at all you just wanted to build web applications, how can you build the web applications? Okay. Yeah. Let me answer you some few things here. What? How to build a web application? How to build a web application or website? Okay. To build, a web application is a collection of not how to build. What is meant by a web application or website? A web application or a website is a collection of files called as web pages. So all of you carefully listen. What is meant by web application or website? A web application or website is a collection of files called as web pages. Okay? And these pages are accessible to clients, in a browser with the help of internet. We're just going to, and these pages are accessible to clients in a browser with the help of internet. What is a web page? And what it contains? is a web page can be a collection of information, is a collection of information that is about a product or a company or a place or something else. Okay, a web page can be a collection of information about a product or a company or a page or a place or something else. Okay, so these pages can be accessed by people from different locations. So these pages can be accessed by people from different locations. Okay, a web page can be a collection of information about a product or a company or a place or something else. So these pages can be accessed by people from different locations in a browser using internet from anywhere in the world. Did you catch my point? And all of you, did you understand me? So these pages can be accessed by people from anywhere in the world, using internet by a browser. Okay, now, so these pages can be accessed by people from anywhere in the world using internet by a browser. So with the help of a browser, people can access the various pages that are available for you in this particular website. Okay, so basically here we just get some few questions like what is internet first. So here there are some few important things what we just require to understand, like what is internet, what is browser, a lot of things. Okay, let me clarify or tell you about each and everything from you in detail. What is internet and what are these pages, all these things.
ईरा ताला
Get to know you guys. Yeah, I will explain you. Web application, I'll just explain. I'll explain you about the web application. Hold on. I'll just tell you about all the things. Okay, web applications also I'll cover you. First, what is internet? So let me start from here. What is internet? Okay, listen all of you. Internet is a global system of interconnected. Okay, guys, what is internet? Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard internet protocol suite TCP/IP to link several billion devices worldwide. It's a network of networks. It is a network of networks that consists of millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks, local to global scope, that are linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical networking technologies. The internet carries an extensive range of information, resources. It contains what? An extensive range of information, resources, and services. It has extensive range of information, resources, and services, such as interlinked hypertext documents and applications of the World Wide Web. Applications of the World Wide Web, the infrastructure to support email, peer-to-peer networks for file sharing and data. What is this, guys? Listen. What is internet here? If you understand about internet, so what is internet? Internet actually it's a collection of interconnected devices. Okay, so what is it? It's a collection of devices. Worldwide, all the devices are connected with each other. Basically, internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use standard internet protocol suite to link several billion devices worldwide. Actually, guys, when we are just learning, when we came into the industry, long back, what our teachers have taught us is, an internet is going to be a network of networks where several million computers are connected with each other. Several million computers are connected worldwide. What is it? Several million computers are connected worldwide. Worldwide, several million computers are connected. But what I am teaching you, I'm teaching you several billion devices. Why, when we came into industry, basically only computers are connected with each other. When we came in industry, only it is computers connected in internet. But today, not only computers here, just computers, mobiles, tablets, whatnot, everything.
హలో, అరే 1 గంటకి చేస్తా, క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా. సరే, ఒక నిమిషం.
Yeah, what I was telling you, an internet is basically a collection of interconnected machines connected with each other. How many, billions of devices are connected with each other. I repeat, guys, when I was learning, it is only millions of computers connected with each other.
అక్క,
హలో
అక్క చెప్తా, రాసుకో. క్లాస్ రూమ్లో ఉన్నా. 99 అంతే, నేను వాట్సాప్ పెడతా. 99 66 9966 48 96 29. క్లాస్ రూమ్లో ఉన్నా. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా, చెప్పు. సరే, 9966 48 96 29. అక్క, ఓకే, సరే, పెట్టేసి.
Public, academic, business and government networks. All these public networks, private network, business network, all these are interconnected with each other. Okay? And they are all connected by using a broad array of electronic, wireless and optical networking technologies. Yes, yeah. We are connected with some electronic devices called modems, optical fiber cables, wireless devices. By using all these things, internet is connected with each other. What internet carries in it? The internet carries an extensive range of information. It is going to carry an extensive range of information, resources, services, all these are there. Like what we just call interlinked hypertext documents and applications of the World Wide Web. See, today, if you just understand, if you just understand this particular point, today you have lot of information that is available in internet. Today you have lot of information that is available in the internet. Are you people clear what I'm telling you? Today you have a lot of information that is available in internet. You just find the information for making a Maggi noodles. You just have information to make Maggie noodles in the internet, as well as you just have the information to create an atom bomb also in the internet. Am I right? Okay, just a second. Okay, so yes, yeah. You see, there is a lot of information that is available in internet today. There is a lot of information that is available in the internet today. Okay, so everything, you have everything in this. Repeat what? You have everything available in the internet. We have information that is ranging from. You have information that is ranging from, how much information means. You can have the information for making a Maggie, as well as you have the information to make an atom bomb also in the internet. Correct? That's what it contains. A lot of information is available for you in this. There are so many services available, resources available. Yeah, so many services, resources, all these things are available for you in this. Okay? It supports you email, it supports you peer-to-peer networks, it will support your file sharing, it supports you telephony, like whatnot. Yeah, everything is available for you under internet today. Are you guys clear? Peer-to-peer means point-to-point connection. Point-to-point connection. Like generally FTP. Okay? So that's what FTP, like a point-to-point connection, what we just have. That is also available for you in this case. Telephony is basically, the telephony is actually, guys, this is based on which your WhatsApp calling works. The telephony is actually what your WhatsApp calling works. Your WhatsApp calling basically works on this telephony services. Everything is integrated with each other in the internet. Okay? And now, the few questions that arises here. What is World Wide Web? All of you carefully listen from here. Understand everything here. What is World Wide Web? The web is a network of computers all over the world. The web is a network of computers all over the world. It's a network of computers all over the world. All the computers in the web can communicate with each other. All the computers in the network can communicate with each other. Yes, guys. All the computers in the network are capable of communicating with each other. They can communicate with each other. Okay, so I repeat again. What What's www? It basically stands for World Wide Web. It is going to be standing for World Wide Web. The question is, what is internet? I hope you guys are clear what is internet. Next. The next thing is, the next point is, what is World Wide Web? What is World Wide Web? Okay? What is this World Wide Web? Carefully listen. World Wide Web. A web is a network of computers all over the world. A web is a network of computers all over the world. A web is a network of computers all over the world. So you just understand the point here. The word web is derived from spider web. The word web derived from spider web. You know spider web now? All of you have watched the Spider-Man movie. Yes, spider web. How the spider web? All these thin lines are just connected with each other. The thin lines are just going to be connected with each other, basically. Okay. Thin lines are just going to be connected with each other. All these thin lines are internally connected with each other. And you see, internet also same only. Throughout global, everything is interconnected with each other, right? So all these are connected with each other throughout the world. All the devices or all the systems are interconnected with each other. That's what we call a network of computers. Okay? That's what. You understand these 3 points, all of you? Did you understand the 3 points? One point. in HTTP protocol and some websites run in HTTPS protocol. Are you guys aware of that now? Some websites run in HTTP protocol and some websites run in HTTP protocol. HTTPS protocol. Anything. HTTP for non-secured applications and HTTPS for secured applications. Next. Next. How does www work? How does www work? Okay, now all of you. Now see, you are going to get the information about a web application. What is it? See, web information is stored. Web information is stored. Where is it stored? It is basically stored stored in files called web pages. Already I said you in the morning what is a web page. A web page is a collection of information. A web page is a collection of information. So web information is stored in files called web pages. Web pages are files stored on computers called web servers. Web pages are files stored on computers called web servers. Okay, now devices reading the web pages are called web clients. Okay, web clients view the pages through a program called web browsers. Popular browsers are Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Opera. What is this? Listen on, you know. First point. Web information is stored where web pages. Where do you store the web pages? Web pages are stored on a computer called as a web server. We store the web pages on a computer called as a web server. All of you look at this picture. This computer is what we call as a web server. On this web server, we are storing the web pages. And a collection of these web pages is called as a website or a web application. Collection of these web pages is called as a website or a web application. Okay, just a minute. Collection of web pages is called as a website.